2 minutes with veridelisi. You learn what is the primary dealer, who are the primary dealers in the U.S., what are the functions of primary dealers, and primary dealers' transaction volume in the repo market. A primary dealer is an entity that purchases government securities directly from the government, aiming to resell them to other parties and thus serving as a market maker for these securities. There are 24 primary dealers in the U.S. financial system as of December 2023. Primary dealers participate in open market operations, provide market information to the Federal Reserve, and ensure the orderly functioning of the U.S. financial system by acting as intermediaries in the repo market. You can use my code to access the transaction amounts of the primary dealers in the repo market. Basically, you open my code in GitHub and run it in Colab. The daily repo transactions amount of primary dealers is nearly $3.1 trillion as of December 6, 2023. This is veridelisi. A specialized platform focuses on the Fed's monetary policy, U.S. repo market, and the nuanced mechanisms of central banking and fiscal policy. Follow me.